We make use of channels. How do Impact use them?
We have a channel dedicated for the service desk. So within our service desk, we have obviously all the members of a service desk in there, but then we have our files that we access on a daily basis. And the real benefit to using Teams is the fact that we can all collaborate on the same documents. So we're all working on a project, for example, we can go into that one document and we can all edit them at the same time. So it's very handy for us to use.
I think in your department in particular, a lot of probably at any one time, all your staff could be on the phone,
yes.
But you need to get a message out to them or just one of them. And I think it's safe to say Teams is the best method of doing that. Sending them in an email, they might not read it for half an hour. It might get buried in their inbox. Whereas with Teams, you can instantly just pop a message straight up on the corner of their screen and they can acknowledge that message or reply to you within a matter of seconds.
And it's announcements as well. So if we have anything that goes on, we can do an announcement to the whole team. I'm not needing to message individual people. We can do it to the whole channel. So it's very good for that.
Yeah. So as you've said, you have a channel just for your department. And I know we have a channel for our sales department. We also have a company-wide channel. So any announcements, like the MD wants to make or any of the leadership team wants to make, they can announce that to the whole company in that channel. And also people can reply to those announcements in that channel so everybody can see the discussion that's going on surrounding that.
It does, it brings groups of people together working on things. We have channels for particular projects that kind of come and go depending on what we're doing, but if you need a group of people to communicate, collaborate, access things all together, that's what it's there for. So, one of the things we do is we pull in sort of Microsoft lists and documents, external links right there at the top. So you've got access to everything you need. I hate that term single pane of glass, which is always, thrown out there and abused, but it kind of really is because it's got everything. Even if you go outside of Teams somewhere else, that's the jump point. It's the place where it all starts. So it's just really useful to have. Some of the problems sometimes is being able to find things, across documents, and there's all this stuff, isn't there, for what we're working on.
So I think that's where Teams comes into its own for collaboration, is its ability to actually store files and access files just from within the Teams application. So whether that be a Word document, a PowerPoint, an Excel spreadsheet, it's all accessible from within one application.
You can access the files within Teams as well. It doesn't take you into another.
Yeah, you don't need to go off into Word and then share that separately. You can just open that file within Teams.
It's also got some really powerful sort of external apps. So you were talking about our global channel, which is all of us. And one of the things we have there is the sort of recognition, it's Hey Taco. So, we reward and recognize people by giving them tacos. So that's an external app that we've pulled into Teams. So you can kind of add functionality where you
and there
need
are
it.
literally thousands of apps that will integrate with Teams. Many of them free, but obviously there's paid for ones as well. And quite often our clients have applications, their own line of business applications, and that might have a Teams plugin.
Yeah, it's very, very powerful. And very easy to use as well. If you want to pin something or bring in a document, it's very, very easy to just hit the plus and tell it what you kind of want to have. Job done.